In this video, I'm going to show you how to see someone's story anonymously. So what that means is you can watch the story and they won't get notified that you saw it. So it's real easy to do. What we can do is go into Instagram, and let's say I'm on a story here, and what you want to do is put your finger on and pause the story. And then from this point, what you can do is actually swipe your finger over and don't let go, because as soon as you let go, it will actually release the story and you'll be able to see it. So you can view the story that you want and then just go back to the other story that you were on. Very easy, very simple to do. And that will not allow them to know that you saw the story. What you can also do is go outside of Instagram. So at the top right hand corner, if you're on an iPhone, go ahead with your drop down menu. And what we can do is actually turn on airplane mode, and that will cut off your Wi-Fi and things like that. And then you can go ahead and watch the story like you normally would. Now, you'll only get to watch a couple of them because Instagram won't be able to preload all of the stories on there. And then close Instagram, and then go back and turn off airplane mode. And then you'll be able to go back Instagram and watch those stories. So those are two easy ways to do it, to watch stories without the person knowing or the account knowing that you saw the story. And that's it. Hope you guys liked the video, and we'll